You are watching Nora's Artsy Hangout. Video starting in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Explore mule deer and white-tailed deer with me.
The mule deer is a deer indigenous to western North America. It is named for its ears, which are large like those of the mule. They mostly eat leaves and twigs of the woody plants. Mule deer can be divided into two groups, the mule deer and the black-tailed deer. White-tailed deer is a medium-sized deer, native to North America, Central America and South America. I hope you liked the video. Bye! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun videos.